What is selector? So to automate the user interfaces, we are required to interact with various windows, button, drop down button, control and many other things, right? We as a human can find and work on that UI element, but UI path cannot, right? Because we can see the elements, so we can work on that, but UI path cannot. So to overcome this issue, UI path uses selector. Selector is the full path of UI element, which is used to identify the elements. And you can say selector is actually a standard XML code, because selector is written in XML format, and it contains two types of information. First, element type, and second, attributes. If you see here in selector, WND app equal to notepad.exe, this is the element type, and here class equal to notepad, title equal to untitled notepad, this is the attributes and its value, right? So window is like element. So WND, the full form of WND is Windows. This is the selector of HTML applications like web pages. So here the element type will be HTML, app equal to chrome.exe, because we are going to use web pages, and the application which we are going to use, that is Chrome browser. That's why here the app equal to showing chrome.exe. So this is the element type, and here now you can see the all these things, that is attributes and its values, same as like we are using in making a website. So elements type can be Windows, HTML, control, Java, etc. For example, for window we will be getting in selector WND, and for HTML web pages we will be getting HTML, right? And for Java we will be getting Java, and for control we will be getting CTRL, right? So attributes are the important part of selector. So there are pieces of information which helps UI path to identify elements. Here you can see this is the selector not found exceptions. So what happens? If you see here, attributes are the important part of selector, and there are pieces of information which helps UI path to identify elements. So sometime what happens, if elements not found, if that attributes not found, then we get this type of exception, runtime exception error, right? So UI path looks for the application with the file name, title, class and other attributes, and if any of these do not match, the element will not be found and throw an exception, selector not found. So you all know that most of the time we are getting this error whenever like we have selected one element, and sometime we close that application, close that web pages or anything, that time we get this error, right?